Hi and welcome. Today I want to set up my bullet journal for next year before it arrives because it's going to be a total mess if I don't. So if you want to see some functional plan with me, please keep watching. Okay, so let's start with the cover page, which is totally optional, but I really wanted to make one to say hi to this new year. And I'm using my fineliner to write that hey and some tiny blobs or something like that. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just a decoration. And I'm using a brush pen to write 2019 to look a bit pretty. And at the bottom of the page, I'm writing, let's make this time awesome, because I really wanted to make some good plans for this year. And I decided to make some fall brush lettering style for this hey thingy, and I really love how it turned out. Originally I wanted to make it look plain and simple, but it doesn't really stand out, so that's it. Now on to the future log. Here I'm just writing some capital letters for each month of this year with a brush pen, and honestly I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just following a simple rule with thin upstrokes and thick downstrokes, and I'm creating some slim and pretty letters for this one. And now onto the fun part, which is writing days of each month for the whole 2019. Here I'm using the thinnest fineliner that I have, and I'm writing days of the week and numbers for every single day of 2019. And honestly, after a while my hand went numb almost, and I made a ton of mistakes, but I think it really adds to the charm for this one because, I mean, it's made by hand, it's not printed or anything like that, so it's okay. I previously wrote everything with a pen because I made mistakes earlier this year and I didn't want to make any now. And now on to the 2 pages that I will dedicate for my habits, because honestly we all have some good ones and bad ones, and I want to keep track of them, and I want to see which habits do I want to add and which habits I want to quit this year, and this is the space for them. And now I'm going back with a brown brush pen to add some color to this future log. And I'm also highlighting smaller letters to these habit titles. And now I wanted to make some line decoration on my habit pages, and I made a mistake on the second one. And you know when you want to fix it and it's only getting worse? You can see it now. I'll probably fix it with a craft paper. We'll see. Now onto my idea page, where I will just add a simple title with a fineliner, and I will divide this page into 2 columns for all ideas and video ideas for this year. And then my battery died. I just want to mention that I decided to add 1 page dedicated to my reading list and 1 page dedicated to my, let's say, I want to learn things. So I just wrote simple titles for both of these, and that's it. Okay guys, this is all finished now and I'm really glad that I made it all functional, no decorations, and for a change I really love this. Maybe I'll try to incorporate more of this functional slash minimalistic stuff into the next year, because sometimes I really love to do a ton of details and sometimes I mean it's not really the point. Hit that thumbs up if you liked this video. Comment down below what exactly do you like in here, or if you have any other recommendations for me when I finish this notebook, because I probably will finish it in a couple of months. And if you want to follow me along in next year, hit that subscribe button and a little bell next to it so you can see when I post. I hope you will have an awesome New Year's Eve and a beautiful intro into the new chapter. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next year. Bye.
Down.